You've squeezed them, you've scrubbed them, you've put every product on them that the internet ever promised you would work, and yet they're still there. Those tiny dark dots sitting on your nose like they pay rent. Today, that ends, and I'm going to show you exactly why everything you've tried before has actually been making them worse. Let's be real for a second. You've stood in front of the mirror, nose 2 inches from the glass, and gone to war with your skin. You've used those pore strips that peel off like a satisfying mask, only to watch the same blackheads reappear 3 days later. You've tried clay masks, charcoal cleansers, blackhead vacuums that left red marks on your face for a week. You've watched 100 satisfying extraction videos thinking, okay, this one's gonna change everything. So what actually is a blackhead? Think of your pores like tiny pipes running beneath your skin. Inside each one, your skin produces a natural oil called sebum. Sebum's job is to keep your skin soft and protected. It's not the enemy. But sometimes dead skin cells mix with that oil and form a soft plug inside the pipe. When that plug reaches the surface and hits the air, it oxidizes, meaning it reacts with oxygen and turns dark. That dark color is not dirt, it's chemistry. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you squeeze or strip that plug out forcefully, you stretch the pore walls. A stretched pore fills up again even faster. But when you soften the plug and draw it out gently, the pore walls stay intact, the skin heals better, and the blackhead takes much longer to come back. That's the whole game. Soft, steady, and smart. Step-by-step solution. Here's the routine, 5 steps. Each one matters. Each one builds on the last. Step 01. Oil cleanse. First start with an oil-based cleanser or plain micellar water. I know it sounds counterintuitive, oil on oily skin, but like dissolves like. Oil breaks down the sebum plug more effectively than any foaming cleanser. Massage it in gently for 60 seconds using circular motions. You're loosening everything before you even begin. This step alone changes the entire game. Step 02. Steam open those pores now, you need heat. Hold a warm, damp towel against your face for 2 to 3 minutes, or lean over a bowl of hot water with a towel over your head for a gentle steam. This relaxes the pore walls, softens the plug, and makes everything that comes next dramatically more effective. Think of it as unlocking the door before you try to walk through it. Step 03. BHA exfoliation. Apply a BHA, that's beta-hydroxy acid, most commonly salicylic acid, at around 2% concentration. Unlike physical scrubs that scratch the surface, BHAs are oil-soluble, which means they actually get inside the pore and dissolve the plug from within. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't rush this. You're not scrubbing the wall, you're dissolving what's stuck to it. After steaming in BHA, some blackheads will come out with very gentle pressure. Wrap clean fingertips in tissue, never use bare nails, and apply soft, even pressure from the sides. If it doesn't come out easily, leave it alone. That's a blackhead that's not ready. Forcing it only causes inflammation and scarring. The BHA will loosen it more over the next day or 2. Step 05. Soothe and seal finish with a gentle niacinamide serum and a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Niacinamide actively reduces pore appearance and controls oil production over time. It's one of the few ingredients that's clinically proven to visibly minimize blackheads with consistent use. And moisturizing after exfoliation is non-negotiable. Dry, stripped skin produces more oil. Hydrated skin stays balanced. Mistakes and warnings now. This is where most people go wrong. Mistake number 1, doing this every single day. BHA exfoliation should happen 2 to 3 times a week at most. Every day will strip your barrier, cause redness, and ironically make your pores look larger. More is not more in skincare. Consistency over time is everything. Mistake number 2, pore strips. They feel incredibly satisfying. We all know this, but they remove the top layer of the plug and leave the rest behind. They also pull away natural skin oils and fine hairs that actually help protect your pore lining. Long-term pore strip users tend to have more visible, more stretched pores than people who never use them at all. Mistake number 3, skipping moisturizer because you think your skin is too oily. Oily skin is often dehydrated skin. When you skip moisture, your skin compensates by producing even more oil. Gel moisturizers and water-based serums are your best friends here. Light, breathable, and deeply effective. And one big myth to bust: toothpaste on blackheads, baking soda masks, lemon juice. These are not skincare, these are skin damage. Their pH levels are completely wrong for skin, and they cause microtears and irritation that open the door to more breakouts. Please, if you've been doing any of these, stop today. Aftercare and pro tips, okay, here's the advanced stuff. The things that separate people who maintain clear skin long-term from people who are always chasing a quick fix. First, clean your pillowcase every 3 to 4 days. Your pillowcase collects sebum, dead skin, and bacteria from your hair and face every single night. Sleeping on a dirty pillowcase after doing this entire routine is like mopping the floor and then walking across it with muddy shoes. Silk pillowcases are worth the investment. Less friction, less absorption. Second, double cleanse on nights when you've worn sunscreen or any makeup, even just tinted moisturizer. Sunscreen, despite being essential, sits on top of the skin and can block pores overnight if not fully removed. Your oil cleanser first, then your regular cleanser, every night. Third, if you want to level up your routine, retinol applied 2 nights a week, starting at a low concentration like 0.025%, speeds up cell turnover significantly. Faster cell turnover means dead skin cells shed before they have a chance to mix with sebum and form a plug. It is one of the most effective long-term weapons against blackheads and enlarged pores, full stop. Motivational close, I want to say something before we wrap up. Your skin is not a problem to be solved overnight. It is a living, breathing organ, and it responds to consistency more than anything else. You do not need a perfect routine. You need a patient one. The people with the clearest, healthiest looking skin are almost never the ones using the most products. They are the ones who found what works for their skin, kept it simple, and stuck with it. That's it. That's the whole secret. Give this routine 3 to 4 weeks of consistent use. You will see a difference. Not because I'm promising you a miracle, but because this is how skin biology actually works, and you're finally working with it instead of against. Thank you for watching.